We all have seen raisins swelling up when kept in water for some time. Any idea how this magic works? Well, it's simply the process of osmosis which results in the swelling of these raisins. You heard me right. It's osmosis process due to which the water from the surrounding medium enters the cells of the raisins, helping them to swell. Can we define osmosis once? It's simply defined as the process in which water moves from higher water concentration to lower water concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. An interesting thing to know about osmosis is that the movement of water is affected by the amount of a substance dissolved in it. And what does this mean exactly? Let's conduct an experiment to understand it better. Let's take 3 plates or containers with salt solutions of different concentration in each. Let's add a few red blood cells, that is RBCs, in each. After a while, we notice that the first set has cells which are shrinked, the second set has cells that are just the same, while the third set has cells which are swollen or bulged. Any idea why this happened? Let's understand this. In the first case, the water content in the surrounding solution was less as compared to the cells placed in it. In other words, the salt content of the solution is more, and therefore this solution is a concentrated one. That is the reason why the water molecules moved from inside the cells to the outside solution, as the concentration of water was higher within the cells. Hence the cells started shrinking. This kind of solution is called as hypertonic solution. That is the solution with higher salt concentration. Now let's have a look at the second case. Here, the level of salt and water seems to be the same on either side of the cell membranes. That is, both within and outside the cell. Therefore, there was a balance in the movement of water. What do we understand by this? It means that the movement of water was the same in either directions. As a result, the size of the cell did not change. It remained the same. Do you know what such a solution is called? It's called as isotonic solution. The two solutions are isotonic when the concentration of water is the same on either sides of the semi-permeable membrane. Now let's focus on this third set. The cells in this case are surrounded by a dilute solution, that is by higher water concentration. The salt dissolved is less and the water content is higher. Therefore, water molecules move inside the cells and hence the cells get swollen. Such a solution is called a hypotonic solution. In other words, solution with a higher water concentration compared to the other. This is how various solutions and their different concentrations help cells to sustain pressure and to survive. Movement of molecules across the plasma membrane is also influenced by the simple process of osmosis.